Got hip pain? Do the SpiderMan. So what you're gonna do, you can get a little mat, like a yoga mat. You're gonna get on your toes and you're gonna go knee down, right? Kind of like Spider-Man, right? Let me do the Spider-Man. So Spider-Man, knee down, like this. Do this 30 times. And this is gonna help loosen up your hip joints. So if you have the hip pains, loosen up. If you have tailbone pain, it will also help you too. So do the Spider-Man. 30 times. Great morning exercise. Stretch out your glutes, stretch out your thighs, your hamstrings. Do the Spider-Man. Right? So 30 times every day. Do this. Let me know how it works. Make sure you subscribe to my TikTok channel. Follow me here on TikTok for more SpiderMan, the amazing SpiderMan exercises.
I initially came for treatment because I had problems with both feet hurting and my legs hurting, especially at night. My husband has neuropathy and I was afraid maybe I was starting to get something, not that it's contagious, but I thought, you know, it's same symptoms it seemed like. And I was delighted to find out that it was a problem with not enough blood flow to my legs and my feet. And so with a series of treatments, I've increased the blood flow, and I'm happy to say now I'm totally pain-free. I had not sought any other treatment on that because I really didn't know where to go or what to do. I just knew I didn't want to go to a traditional doctor because they had not been able to help my husband if that was the problem. But right now it looks like my blood's flowing the way it's supposed to, and again I am pain-free and very happy.
This shoulder corresponds to this hip. It's connected, okay? So this hip hurts, you're gonna shrug this shoulder right here. Do the shoulder shrug. You can do a second thing. You can actually massage this shoulder, okay? Intensify that shrug.
Got feet pain? You want to squat the toilet to help relieve your foot pain. So whether you have plantar fasciitis or arthritis in your toes and your feet, you can use the same toilet squat stretch to help your feet. So when the toilet squat stretch was to help your lower back, right? Now you can do a modified version of to help your feet. So what you can do is you can get a chair, you're gonna still squat like a toilet, right? You go in a toilet, and then you're gonna get on your toes, and you see your feet, your heel is up. You're gonna hold this for about 30 seconds, so count to 30, and then you can bring it back down. Now hold on the chair, and if you can't get back up, then you just use a chair to lift yourself back up. And then you're gonna go back down, and then squat the toilet again, and then get on your toes again. You're gonna do this for another 30 seconds. Do this for 3 times, all right? And you're gonna see some relief in your foot. Subscribe to my YouTube channel.